In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile on Cisco WebEx Meeting. We'll walk through this on the web and desktop experience, since the process is essentially the same. Updating your profile helps colleagues recognize you quickly in meetings and chats, and it keeps your professional details consistent across your organization. Start by signing in to your WebEx account, either through webex.com or your organization's WebEx site. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile area. You'll see either your current profile picture or your initials. Click that to open your profile, where you can view and update your details. Next, select Edit My Profile. This opens the fields you're allowed to change. You'll see first name, last name, and display name. The display name is what most people will see in meetings and messaging. If your account is connected to a corporate directory, some fields like first name and last name may be locked by your organization's settings. In that case, you may only be able to adjust your display name, and that's perfectly fine for making sure your name appears the way you prefer in meetings. To update your profile picture, hover your mouse over the current picture or the initial circle and choose Change or Upload Picture. Then pick a new image from your computer. A clear, recent headshot works best. Square or centered images tend to crop cleanly, and common formats like JPG or PNG are ideal. If the upload tool provides a crop preview, make sure your face is centered and well lit. Aim for a simple background to keep it professional and easy to recognize in small video tiles. After you've made your name and picture updates, click Save to apply your changes. This step is important. If you leave the page without saving, your edits won't stick. Once saved, your new details will appear on your profile and usually propagate across WebEx shortly. If you're in a meeting while making changes, give it a little time for the update to reflect, or you'll see it the next time you join. That's it. By signing in, going to your profile, editing your name and display name as allowed, updating your photo, and saving, you've refreshed how you show up in WebEx. These small updates make collaboration smoother and help others quickly identify you in calls, messages, and meeting participant lists. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.